ahead and open. I don't know if Santa would bring you Crisscross Crash. You better see. Open it up and see. Go ahead and open it.
Just what I needed! Crisscross Crash!
No way. No way.
Great! Just what I wanted.
Alright. Santa delivers. Awesome. Oh my goodness.
I
Woo.
love that one. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Jurassic Park! We got Jurassic Park!
Well, do you like it?
Yeah.